Hello guys, it is my pleasure to welcome you to my channel, Z Graphics and Multimedia. My name is Rafi Yakub. I'm reaching you live from Lagos State, Nigeria, and in this video, I'm going to teach you guys how to import used USA phones and phone accessory from America. So, a brief overview about this site, I'm going to explain it to you guys. And also, before we get today practical started, I have a premium class on importation training that I teach people in a private class. So if you would like to join the private class on this particular topic, you can contact me via the phone number on the screen, and let's talk about the private class. Okay, so in today's video, I'm going to show you a site whereby you can import a cheap USA used phone without any stress. Okay, and the phone will get to you in any country you are living. Okay, so now let's get today practical started. Like I said earlier, we are going to make use of a website called DigiCycle. Now this website is a US website, and you can use any browser to access the website. Right from my screen right here, you can see I'm using Firefox. No special things about the site. So you can use Google Chrome or Firefox, whichever browser you are good to go. So all you have to do is to follow the step I'm taking in this video and see how you can open the site. So let's go to the address bar right away. So like I said earlier, the website is digicycle.com. Okay. So once the site is fully loaded, everybody will see what is going on the site. Okay, so you can see from the screen right here that the site has been fully loaded, digicycle.com. Now, a brief overview about this site is that on this site you can buy only USA or UK used phone and phones accessory, nothing more. And also what you can buy from this site, you can buy smartwatch. Let me quickly explain some brief overview about the site to enlighten you guys more. Now, on this site, you can buy a brand phone like Samsung, like LG and iPhones. Okay. Now, from this part here, you can see the cell phones available is 2,000 plus, and the phone accessory available is almost 2,000 plus. Phone part almost to 100 something. The smartwatch here is 34. Now the latest arrival of a new product that was just listed on the site is within 24 hours ago is 409, and new arrival this week is 2,397. So now this is to tell you that they upload items on this site every minute. Okay, now let's say for instance, before you can try to make a purchase decision, you can try as much as possible to search for whatever item of your choice. Okay, now there are many ways by which you can search for item. So we can use search bar right here, and when you type in whatever you need on the site, you can continue to search. And one other thing is that you can scroll down and see more products. You can see so let's scroll down. Oh, look at this phone here. This phone here is just how much? This is just $69, almost $70. So you can continue to search. Look at this tab here. So if, for instance, you are interested to buy this particular tab here, all you have to do is to right click on the product link, then click on open in a new tab. Let's see the product. So like I said earlier, whatever you buy from this site is a used item, so it's not a new. So you need to you need to know that. So let's see the item in a new page. Wow. So you can see the product name is Samsung Galaxy Tab ASMS and so on and so forth. The color is gray. Now let's scroll down and see full picture of the product. Wow, this is lovely tab. You can see the item has no mark. So now you can see like new. So if you want to buy this product, all you have to do is to click on add to cart. Now let's say for instance you are not interested in this product, you can go back to the site, continue your search. Let me look for another one. Look at this one here, this LG here. This is just $65. Right click, open a new tab. Let's check it out. Okay, that's it. But you can see here that the item is under sales pending. That is, the seller is not yet ready to sell the item. So we can close the tab and look for another thing. Now, ordinarily, we can search for the items of our choice to save some stress. So all you have to do is to come to the search bar here, type in whatever product name you are interested. Let's say I'm interested in iPhone. All you have to do is to type iPhone. You can type the iPhone brand. Maybe iPhone 4, iPhone 6, iPhone Max, iPhone 11 Pro, this and that. So you can just type it on the search engine. They will bring a lot of results about iPhone. So let's see. So you can see a lot of, you can see iPhone 11, iPhone 11 Pro, iPhone 11, iPhone. So you can scroll down and look for more products. And one thing about this site is that you can purchase on the basis of your budget. So it's not a must you purchase this particular item. So look at this one here. This is just $95. An iPhone 6. Look at this one. So there are many less than $100 that if you can't, look at this one. This is just a $77.9. So this is iPhone 6 or so. You can scroll down and continue to look for more products. Okay. Look at this one. iPhone 7 Plus. This is just $164. You can see. And see iPhone 8 Plus. This is just $257. So scroll down. Look at this one here. I think I saw one of look at this one here. iPhone SE 32 gig rose gold. This is just $60. So you can imagine. So let's say for instance I'm interested in this iPhone here. I will right click on the product link, then open the new tab. Let's see so you can see, let's scroll down and see more detail about the product. So you can see. So now this is how you search for products on the website, and Once you are satisfied with whatever product you want to buy, just click on add to cart, then check out and make payment. But in some cases, you may find it difficult to use this website because maybe you are very new to the site or you don't know how things are going on this site. So that is when you will need to join my premium class. So in this regard, I present to you guys my premium class. If you are actually interested in the business, this is the course outline as far as premium class is concerned. So for the premium class with me, you are going to learn how to import USA and UK used phones and phone accessory at a very cheaper rate without using any agent. This simply means that you source for product that yourself, you pay direct to the store. That is a USA store. It's not an individual store. Okay, so another thing you can learn here is how to register on the site and registration procedure. There are a lot of things about the registration procedure on the site. Another thing you are going to learn as far as the premium class is concerned is how to get a free USA shipping address where your goods will be sent to, and before shipping to your desired country by shipping company, you're going to get a free shipping address on that. Then you will also get to learn how to verify, how to get USA phone number to verify your account on the site. This is another crucial part of the site. Then another one thing you are still going to learn here is how to add your USA shipping address to your profile on the site so that your item will not get lost on transit in US. And another thing you are going to learn here is how to place order on the site and how to make payment directly using the PayPal or MasterCard or Visa card. So those are the options of making payments on the site. Then another thing you are going to learn is how to open a PayPal account that can send and receive money worldwide. So if you don't have PayPal account before, don't stress yourself, just relax. You're going to learn how to do that. Create a functional PayPal account that can send and receive money worldwide. But if you are not interested in PayPal account, you can use your country MasterCard or Visa card to make purchase of any type of phone from the site. Then you're going to learn how to identify quality phones to order without any issue. This is another crucial part about the training. Then you are going to learn how to ship your order at a very cheaper rate without any issue. So finally, you are going to learn how to run Facebook and Instagram sponsor ads to sell off your phones without any stress. So if this is what interested in you and you find this course outline interesting and you are much interested in this business, you can contact me via the phone number on the screen of this video. Feel free to chat me up or call me. I will be able to respond to whatsoever question you have as far as premium class is concerned. So this is where we're going to stop today class, guys, and I hope you learn one or two things in this video. If you have interest in the premium class, feel free to contact me from the phone number on the screen, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.